let's just start out with ES because it's this bullish market. It just is crazy, and I kind of I kind of want to show you what we're looking at here that might be helpful. Good morning, by the way, to everybody listening in our Discord, on YouTube, on Twitter. Um, this is what we're dealing with here. This is the daily chart on ES. So if you really want to try to size up on something, and you're really looking for an opportunity to do that, there's really only one place right now that exists on the chart where you can confidently do that with a, obviously always using risk management techniques that we teach. But just take a look at this. All right, just take a look at the ebbs and the flows of this market. Okay, here we go, boom. Here we go up to here, right? Boom. Here we go up to here, boom. And here we go up to here. So where's the next spot? Where's the next spot if you're up here right now that you'd look for a pullback? Probably right there. 59.15, 59.20. Somewhere around there is where this ebbs and flows of this market will probably get catch resistance or catch support. And that's what it's done. It's a daily chart. Last time we were here was back in October 21st. And by the way, what this should also tell you is that this market did not go from here to here in this manner. Okay? It never does. And nobody can tell you when that pullback is going to happen. All right? And nobody can tell you if there's some catalysts that may make it happen harder and stronger than what you're thinking. Okay? So that's the long-term daily view of what ES looks like right now. Okay? So you can keep chasing this if you want, and there's people that have made a ton of money. They must have made a ton of money in the last few days. I didn't trade yesterday. I had something else I needed to do. But just take a look at how this market ebbs and flows. It doesn't go like this. It ebbs and it flows, and it ebbs and it flows. Let's just get rid of this and break this down to the 1 hour chart. I don't want that. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what we're looking at now for trading ideas for today. Okay? Well, right now I'm thinking I'd love to see, this is Friday's, what time is this at? 9 in the morning, right after the open push. So right around this area where it was Friday's lows, um, I'm sorry, Friday's open for regular trading hours, 8 a.m. Central. This also shows approximate close on Thursday. So this would probably be the first place right here that I'd be looking for a bounce, right? If it doesn't give me that bounce and it breaks here, you can try to chase a breakdown underneath that if you want for a scalp, all right? Because it might give you that full scalp all the way back down to 59.85, which is where the next area of support is, 59.85 to 59.90, right? So you got the market close of last Thursday approximately that you're dealing with down here around this area. That would be what I would be thinking. The other thing you can do, why does it keep doing that? Trading View, I'm telling you, I just wrote a letter to Oleg, who's the CEO, and told him all the problems with his technology and how he needs to get them fixed. The other thing you can look for if you want to try to short this market is you can look for a push up here and down. There are some things that are interesting, right? You could see yesterday the semis really weak, really really weak. Yesterday to me, and I'm only looking back here, this seemed to be what was moving the market completely was crypto. I mean, coin was up 53 bucks. MSTR was up $69. Now these are not, $1,000 stocks or $1,200 stocks. These are stocks that moved 19%, 25% yesterday. So that's my thoughts on ES. I'm going to come back with SPY in a minute, but if I'm looking for a short-term trade on the day to scalp off of, I got to be thinking this area right here, right? Which is this resistance we had on Thursday that we broke and retested yesterday and moved up off of. All right? So that's the first thing that I'd be looking at in the short term is a retest of this space right here. So let's see if we get it. If we don't and it breaks there, because you should have a stop loss there, we could get a pretty significant move. I didn't take a look at the volume profile, but I kind of like this. Wow. This is what I'm looking for right here. Short. Let's make this simple. Long, short. Trading in that range. We have some catalysts coming this week, so be aware.